Hi guys, it will be again in new CNC channel. This time I'm gonna show how to make barcode easily using Microsoft Excel. First, download extension barcode font for Microsoft Excel. You can open nosware.com and type barcode font. After found, you can just click and download the extension like this. Okay, now after download completed, you can just open folder and then move in your directory that familiars. You open it. Okay, the next is extract this barcode function and then open your Microsoft Excel. First, you can save as your Microsoft Excel as macro. Don't forget, save as macro. Then put in the same folder with barcode function and we can save here. The next is showing developer tab in the ribbon. You can just click Excel options and check this. After show developer tab like this, you can just open Visual Basic and click this and import your file. Okay, in music, this is our file that just downloaded. Because we are using Windows, select Windows folder and then open it. Okay, the module has been saved in your project. Then you can exit from Microsoft Excel and back to workbook. Okay, first let's create one project. Okay, don't forget change the cell to text properties. Okay, change to text. Let's type again. Okay, we can using font also. Okay, I scroll until I'm sorry 13 like this, and then is type the code to make cell A1 read as barcode in B1. Just type equal to code A128A in cell A1 like this. Tap and then scroll this. Voila, this is not read. You can just select after block, select home and type ID automation or IDH8, hit enter like this. Now you have barcode to use in your product. Thanks for watching, and if any question you can fill out in the form comment. Bye bye.